Oxford International Group started in 2016 with this location. We've sold to a lot of customers on this location. What we are doing presently is to put estate development in place, drainage system, fencing, electrification, and so many other things. Now, as at 2016, this place was sold at 1,050,000. Today, this place is 10 million naira. It will show to you that there's massive growth when it comes to real estate. That is about 1,000% return. So I want to urge you that while we are doing this construction, the price still remains 10 million. The moment we finish all the developmental stuff here, the price is going to almost times 2. So it is time for you to take advantage of Providence Court Ibeju-Lekki. For you, those of you that doesn't know, Dangote Refinery and all other stuff in Ibeju-Lekki is towards the left. This place is towards the right. What it means is we're actually setting this place for those people that will be living here and be enjoying the luxury that Ibeju-Lekki is going to give us in the future. So we want to welcome you to Providence Court.
We are here live at our Ibeju-Lekki location. This is our Providence Court location. We have about 50 acres here. We have about 50 acres of land here. You've seen the videos we'll be sharing. Our land starts from somewhere there. We have the phase 1 there. We have the phase 2 here. We have the phase 3 here. So this is a large expanse of land and it is fast selling. The title for this place is a global CFO, and this is calling our clients to quickly key into this location as soon as possible. It's almost selling out.
You could see around into our video, you could see that development is going already in this place. People are already doing their building, friends are already going, even people that have bought are already doing their own personal friends too. So I don't see what you are waiting for. I want you to be part of our Ibeju-Lekki land. It's a moving train. This is a small London in Nigeria right now. So if you have not gotten a plot of land in Ibeju-Lekki, precisely in Oxford International Group, you need to get one for yourself.